How big is the universe? And how far can we observe? To know this, we need to count all the stars in the universe. When compared with all the deserts of the world and the beaches of the sea, are there more stars or grains of sand? If you want the answer to these questions, follow to the end of this video and you will be surprised at the answers. But let's answer the first question. How big is the universe and how far can we observe? To understand it, we need to measure it. But how do you measure something as big as the universe? Here on Earth we are used to measuring everything: time, speed, distances. In our immense universe, however, things are very different. This is because cosmic distances are immense compared to what we are used to measuring in everyday life. That is why astronomers measure distances in space using light, or rather the light year. What is a light year? It is the distance that light travels in a year. And light goes very fast, 300,000 kilometers per second. It means that in 1 year light travels as much as 9,460 billion kilometers. But even so, it is not easy to understand. Let's take an example. If you are lucky enough to see a Formula One race in attendance, you will be able to understand what it means to speed along at 300 kilometers per hour. But what does 300,000 kilometers per second mean? It means that in the blink of an eye, that is, in a single second, we would be able to travel a huge distance and get out of our solar system in a few hours. Nothing like our fastest means of transportation. To fully understand the difference, let us again be helped by an example. Imagine you were aboard an airliner and you wanted to fly around the world on it. At a speed of 800 kilometers per hour, you would spend just over 2 days, about 50 hours. Still continuing to imagine, if we could, like Superman, fly at the speed of light in 1 second, we would circle the Earth 7.5 times. We could get to and from the Moon in a little over 3 seconds. We would get to Mars in 3 minutes. Yes, light is very fast, literally the fastest thing in the universe. Just think that the Voyager 1 probe, launched by NASA on September 5, 1977, that is more than 46 years ago, continues to travel at the speed 61,198.15 kilometers per second. If we traveled at the speed of light, it would take us only 20 hours and 30 minutes to reach it. But light is not that fast. In fact, light from the sun takes almost 8.5 minutes to reach the Earth. It means that if the sun suddenly disappeared, we would only notice it after more than 8 minutes. However, some people might think that the speed of light is a good speed and that in the future it could take us to explore the universe. Not so, unfortunately. It is physically impossible to travel at the speed of light, and even if absurdly we could actually do it, this would not take us very far. In fact, the closest star to us after the Sun is Proxima Centauri. And even at the speed of light, the journey to get there would take 4 years. Moreover, our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars, and to cross it from side to side at the speed of light would take 100,000 years. But the Milky Way is only one of 100 billion galaxies and more found in the universe, and each of them with at least 100 billion stars. But then, how big is the universe? This high-resolution image from the Hubble Space Telescope shows a diverse range of galaxies, each composed of billions of stars. The equivalent area of sky that the image occupies is displayed as a red box in the lower left corner. Yes, deep space, even the darkest space tested by the Hubble telescope, has shown how in every part of the universe we point the telescope we find literally thousands of galaxies. Also, calculating the degree of expansion of the universe, astronomers are unanimous in being able to say that the radius of the universe is 46 billion light-years and the entire universe extends 93 billion light-years. Like a spider's web, galaxies and galaxy clusters are grouped together in filaments, forming the structure of the universe. In this picture here, the structure of the universe resembles that of Emmental cheese. Our galaxy is located in one of these holes. Now we are ready to answer the second question. How many stars are there in the universe, or grains of sand on Earth? It is estimated that there are on average about 200 billion stars in each galaxy in the universe, and there should be at least 100 billion galaxies in the universe. By multiplying the number of stars in an average galaxy by the number of galaxies, we arrive at a number with 200 sextillion, 200 times 10 to the power of 22, or 20 quintillion, 20 followed by 21 zeros. A grain of sand measures half a millimeter, and in a 1 centimeter line of sand there are therefore about 20 grains. A cubic centimeter therefore contains 8,203. In the palm of our hands we might contain 8 million of them. Dr. Jason Marshall estimated that there are 700 trillion, 1,012 cubic meters of sand on Earth's beaches, and therefore the stars in the universe are more than 10 times as many. Even now, thanks to the Hubble telescope and the James Webb telescope, every day we continue to look farther and farther and discover miles of new galaxies and billions of new stars. If you liked the video, leave a like to support the channel. Subscribe, don't forget to share the video and activate the bell so you will be informed as soon as new content is ready. If you wish, leave a comment below the video. Tell me which topic you would like to be covered next time. If there are many similar requests, I will be happy to accommodate you. Thank you for traveling with me among the stars.